Hello guys, welcome back. Today we have an exciting treat for all of you guys who love crafting beautiful visuals without breaking the bank. If you are on the lookout for a fantastic free image editor and filler, you have come to the right place guys. Whether you are a designer, content creator or just someone who loves playing with images, having a versatile and easy to use tool is essential, and that's where our star of the show comes in guys. So let's start the video guys without a further delay. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. So firstly we'll have to open your Google Chrome and we'll have to search Adobe Firefly. Then the first website will come guys. Then you will have to open this first website. So firstly you will have to logged in guys. After logged in, this kind of interface will come. Then you will have to click on explore Firefly beta. This is the main page of the website guys. Then you will have to come down. There are so many features are there, but this feature is very attractive guys. That's why I'm making this video. So click generative field, click generate, and here you will have to upload your photo guys. Whatever photo you have and you wanna edit something or you wanna just fill something, so you will have to upload your photo. Suppose I don't have photo, so I'll take example of these images already given. So let me try example. So now this is the main image guys. Now I'll insert something in this image. So click on insert, and here you will have to where you wanna insert something. So suppose I want here. So and you will have to describe something like hey guys, I want a orange tiny fish here. So click generate and see the magic. See guys, they have created, they have inserted some orange tiny fish. So you can choose it as per your convenience. Otherwise, click more and they will show some more results. So suppose I want this one. So I want to keep it. So click keep. Now guys, I want to remove something. So let me see. Suppose click on remove, and suppose I wanna remove this face, this big fish. Let me remove it. So just blur this face, cover the whole area, and just click on remove, guys. See the magic, guys. The fish is vanished, and there are showing some flowers or some kind of plants. So this is amazing guys. Just keep it, and if you wanna download it, just click on download. It will be downloaded guys. See guys, it got downloaded. So this is very amazing guys. So please start using this application. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you wanna support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.